Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Minatamis na saging. First, gather your ingredients for this delightful Filipino dessert. You will need about 6 to 8 ripe saba bananas, which are perfect for their firm texture and natural sweetness. Also, have ready 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 cups of water, and 1 or 2 pandan leaves for an aromatic touch. These simple components will transform into a truly satisfying treat. Next, let's prepare the star of our dish, the saba bananas. Begin by carefully peeling about 6 to 8 ripe saba bananas. Make sure they are firm but slightly soft. Once peeled, cut each banana into 2 or 3 diagonal pieces, depending on their size. Cutting them diagonally helps them absorb more of the delicious syrup and ensures they cook evenly. Set these prepared banana pieces aside for now. Now, let's create the rich, sweet syrup that coats our bananas. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar with 2 cups of water. Add 1 or 2 fresh pandan leaves to the mixture. These leaves are essential for imparting that wonderful, distinctive aroma. Stir gently until the sugar completely dissolves, then bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. With our fragrant syrup ready, it is time to add the bananas. Carefully place your prepared saba banana pieces into the simmering brown sugar mixture. Ensure all the banana pieces are submerged in the syrup as much as possible. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the bananas are tender and have absorbed the beautiful golden syrup. The syrup will also slightly thicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.